Heat sealing machine. Biforce Technologies' heat sealing machine employs double-sided heating system for welding battery cover with case hermetically and may process all battery types with a capacity of 3 pieces battery per minute. The machine is equipped with a cover detection system and cover holding mechanism. A special working unit design allows fast and easy installation of cover holder and heating forms for different battery types. Heating plate comprises 3 heating zones, each of which is equipped with 1-piece thermocouple and 2 pieces resistances. With such application, the plate is heated evenly. Servo motor control and the ability to move the working unit in the 3 axes ensures precise positioning for all types of batteries. The machine may be used either as a separate device or as part of the assembly line. Control. The machine is equipped with an adjustable movable control panel having internal Siemens touchscreen that provides input of necessary parameters, forming, recording configurations for different battery types and audit of welding process. Automation of the technological processes is carried out by Siemens brand plc. Conveyor. The machine is equipped with engine-driven conveyor with easy guide setting, safe battery positioning and fixing system. Thanks to smart standstill system, a new battery is not put into operation until processing of a battery is completed.